All right, so we got the Yoshimura Fender Eliminator kit in yesterday, but I'm gonna go ahead and take the time to swap this bad boy out. So this is just a before video, what it looks like. Got the huge tail sticking out. I The only thing I don't like about this is the fact that this sticks out so far. I like the lights. I'm going to keep those, and I like the LED that's in here that illuminates the license plate. That part's cool. So one thing I love about the Yoshimura is it actually allows you to retain those parts and just eliminate the bulky stock fender. So um, here we go. We're going to get this swapped out and get it all hooked up, and then do after. And we have the final product. I'll step around. And no huge tail on the back anymore. Nice clean install. It's pretty cool, man. I'm happy with it. Everything tightened up. Alright, let's go get a ride in.